How many students are together for this project? 45. Students were there. They are also part of that project. Can you describe me how it is?
Yeah, so ma'am, basically our regionals are going on right now. So the, बोला मैंने. So basically ma'am, this is the competition area now. So the students just have to perform their bots working here. So the best bots goes to for the Pune process. So while we are having the 3 stages, first one is the school level, then second one is the regional, and third one is the national level. So once the student gets selected in the national, so they are having the chances to part in the international level as well. So last year from this school we are having 3 students, those who have went for the Estonia, and they have participated in the Estonia competitions. So while we have received the 3rd position in the line follower, and for this competition we have received the 5th position in the international. So this project is all under the CSR program STL Roboish.
CSR.
Yes, CSR program.
Who is conducting all these programs?
So basically we are having the Robotics India as a parent company, but in Aurangabad STL Roboish program, means the STL is our CSR. So the director for the Robotics India is Payal Manan, she is based in the Pune, and for STL Manish sir is there. Manish Hyde sir. Mohit Papade. So I am senior technical trainer in the Aurangabad.
How is the response from
We got so incredible response that so as you can ask any student from the Roboish program, so they will get to know, you will get to know that the students stay with us till the 5 p.m. while their school ends at 12:30. So this is their interest that they stay till 5th or 5:30 till with me. So this all the bots the student has made, we haven't done anything. We give them the material, we told them you just have to assemble the bots, they assemble. So ma'am, there are to take him as an intern with us. So ma'am, you can give him any task about the robotics. He can build anything with the robotics. The things that you are seeing, this is the focus ma'am. We just told him to make the bot, he gave the bot full complete.
Can we run this project in front of us? They all can speak in English very well. Wow. Super. Wonderful. Anyone controlling this car or programming?
It is fully automatic.
It is only,
So basic the aim was that the robot has to complete maximum lab into 3 minutes. Once so now the lab this robot is completing in the original area. So it is around 12 seconds per lab. So it is completing I think 18 laps for a minute. So while this it is the highest lap covered by any bot.
congratulations from all of us. नहीं ये रोड
क्लीनिंग के लिए जो रोबोट
No,
बनाया ना,
it
तो
is
वो
a
कैसे ऑटोमेटिक पूरा उसको दे दिया कि वो
इसका भी प्रोग्रामिंग रहता है.
Yeah, it is a programming.
It's a
Yeah.
programming.
As you can see that we are having some
Chips and
Chips.
This
This is the microcontroller.
Actually, we are in front of a mother. Her son also is a robotic expert.
I am a robotics in Purdue University, America.
oh wow. That's
And
great.
he is coming here and we want to meet some
आपल्याला
students.
मार्गदर्शनासाठी बोलवायचे का?
Means if he is coming and he can give anything
Yeah.
for your student, means that is a wonderful for all.
Yeah, that is so great. So as you, so this one is the progress, and while you can see here, this is the maze robot.
Okay.
So जो भूल भुलैया रहता है वो robot भूल भुलैया solve करने के लिए.
Okay. It is also made by our student.
So PCB we have built, this PCB we have built, but with the components